How you doing, guys? I'm here to talk about Intel's recent announcement that Thunderbolt 3.0 is going to be provided using USB-C ports. Now, USB-C ports are primarily new still. They are used on a few PC laptops and even the new MacBook by Apple. It just provides one port. And also, Thunderbolt 3.0 will provide for USB 3.1 as well. And obviously, there's a lot of pros and cons of this, and especially when the new Apple MacBook came out with the one USB-C port, everybody said Thunderbolt was going to go away. Nobody uses it. It's too expensive, and I totally disagree because Thunderbolt is primarily for pro users, so those type of users are going to use more expensive equipment anyway, cameras and everything else. USB 3.0, 3.1 is mainly made for consumers, more cheaper peripherals and so on. Plus, using USB, you're going to be stuck on USB standards. Thunderbolt also provides for higher bandwidth and lower latency. So it's going to be much easier using Thunderbolt as an all-in-one solution because it's basically a PCIe, external PCIe extension. You can downgrade to almost anything. Displays, USB 3.0, 3.1. It's nearly endless, with obviously within some restrictions. And I don't see Thunderbolt peripherals going down in price simply because it is using a USB-C port. Because, like I said, they are geared toward professionals. So just because it uses a USB-C port, I don't see it going down in price anytime soon, if at all. I doubt if it's really going to do it at all. But I do see Thunderbolt using USB-C ports as will provide consumer confusion because you're going to have to use the correct either adapter or cable to enable Thunderbolt speeds. And I see some people are going to try to hook up a USB device to it and expecting to have Thunderbolt speeds. Not so. So I could see there's going to be quite a bit of consumer confusion in there trying to do with this new type of port. So I just want to tell you about the new Intel news release. I thought it was very exciting. So there we go.